Morning, Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. We're looking at a daily chart of the dollar versus the yen. We've had a really good run up in the autumn from around the beginning of October, but you can see I've put some trend lines on here to demonstrate that we're running into some resistance just as we become overbought on the daily chart. MACD is still positive, but stochastics starting to turn a bit negative now, and today's candle certainly isn't particularly positive. We rejected that trend line yesterday and closed below it, so starting to think that we could head a little bit lower perhaps into the end of the week. As you can see from this daily chart, we're going to flick onto the shorter term chart now to give us an idea of what might happen. Again, you can see this candle here towards yesterday was quite negative, the new high and the lower close, and that's triggered some selling pressure. Nothing too serious, but it's a bit of profit taking in an uptrend. And we've got, you can see this high here is 101.35 and this low here is at 101.31. So clearly 101.35, 101.31 is some support. We're just trading around there at the moment, but if we start to break lower, we could quite easily see, we could easily see 101.10, 192, but I really think that this fib support of 175 area is a very likely target if we start to break below 101.35.30. But having got there, you can see short-term charts as well. MACD is quite negative, stochastics are quite negative, so really, expecting a break below 101.30 and almost expecting a test of the 175 area. But I think we should bounce off there, and I think that would be quite a good support level and a buying opportunity. I'm just going to stick a trend line in here, see if this gives us any further clues. Yeah, that also works quite nicely, coincides with that 175 level, so keep an eye out for a break below 101.30, see if we head for 175 and use that as support and potential buying opportunity. You could have a stop in above this high, which is at 143, so you're sort of risking about 30 pips, but if it works, I think we'd have at least a 60 pip profit on the upside, probably a little bit more. 60 pip profit would take us back into the 101.30 area, so that does tie in quite nicely with that whole projection. Okay, that's it for the dollar yen for today. I'm Jason Sen at daytradeideas.com.